just a little bit of our day to share with you. Let's go. We got a big stick today. All right, let's get... And off she goes with her stick. Hanging out in the office with Mom, as she does every day. Bringing in treasures from outside. And it's time for us to go home. Finally. Out into the snow. There's Sophie. There's little Sophie. She's ready. Yes, she is. Aren't you, baby girl? All right, let's go. Come on. Oh, it's blustery. It's icy. There's snow on the car. It's the beginning of a Minnesota winter, and with the wind, it's like, Sophie's like, what is going on, Mama? With this wind, it's saying it's like -9 wind chill, so I'm in southern Minnesota. Can only imagine what it's like up north. All right, we're headed home, friends. Good evening. Crystal here with Factory Girl Design. Day 4 of December. Sophie, do you want to come up here, Sophie? Yes. Let's say hi to everybody. She's all excited. We're finally home for the day. She had a long day at work. She was ready to sneak out much sooner. But anyways, back to it. Day 4 of December, Advent opening time. I brought everything to work with me. I was going to take a few minutes in the middle of the day and do a quick recording and open everything when it's light outside and be able to get some nice pictures and colors of everything. But it was a busy day, so it did not happen. But we're going to open things now and see what we have. And Sophie is all about getting involved tonight. So I threw everything in my little project bag here. I got this, I don't know, a few years ago. It's a Hohe & Co. bag, and it was one of her holiday bags, and I was like on the button when the shop opened. I'd wanted this silver bag for, oh gosh, a while. I think it had been out the year before, and I missed it, and so I had waited a whole year to get it. No, honey, we're recording. Okay, so let's start with So Happy Jane again. We have box number 4. Let me get our sheet of paper. Look at Sophie. Today we're visiting the Grand Canyon, which means standing in awe before nature's majestic masterpiece, a vast chasm carved by time and water, offering breathtaking... I need to give her the box, so hold on here. We need to distract Sophie. Offering breathtaking views that stretch to the horizon. This is a great color. Look at this. Gorgeous. It's like, ooh, there's like hints of red in there too with this beautiful kind of rust color. I love, 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 love. Oh, I've been plotting some ideas to knit with Heather's colors here, so I'll hopefully get working on that soon, and then I can share some of that with you. Okay, I gathered all of the 4 days for the stitch markers because my goal was to take pictures of them today to show you, but that didn't happen. So, day number 4 with Purlsmith. Wow, ooh, pretty, 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 pretty. This is unique. It's a flat opal. See if I can take it off of here and kind of see it a little bit better that way, maybe. I don't know. Oh, but this is really pretty. Beautiful work. What else have we got? I feel like I have kind of feel like Santa Claus here with my bag of goodies. So, Blue Fern yarns. Day number 4. Oh, you ready for more now? Nothing's back. Let's see what's in here. There's a couple of things. So, there's a yarn and then this little extra in here. So let's open this up to see what this is. Ooh, lovely. Gardener's Hand Cream. And it is their jasmine and vanilla flavor. You want to smell it? see what this. And I wish you guys could see. Oh my gosh, that's heavenly. Doesn't that smell good, Sophie? Yeah. Oh, that is delicious. This is a label. Very fun. Okay, and they are. All right, Sophie, you can have that bag too, just to satisfy you. Ooh, 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 ooh. Once again, my jam. We got some purples. Dark purples, a little blue, light purples, lilac. Oh, that is gorgeous. You can kind of see it. Sorry. Oh, you guys, this weekend, maybe I'll do a rundown this weekend of everything. Like on Saturday when I'm home during the day and it's light and I can share everything with you. Oh, poo, that's in my other bag. I had gotten the full skein from Magpie Fibers because I wanted to piece everything together. But again, we'll do that later. We'll do tomorrow. Yeah. Save it for tomorrow. So here's box 4. I'm guessing this is another mini. Yeah. Do you want this one too? Do you want that one? I don't know. I kind of like that box. I think I'm going to keep that for myself. Oh, another beautiful speckle. Look at this. Some pinks and blues, greens in there, a little bit of purple. No. There you go. So this was yesterday's, and then this is today's. Aren't those pretty? Oh, gorgeous. So fun. I love it. All right, I have to put this back in here so I remember which day that was. In case I decide to get everything in order. I kind of like to keep track of that. What about you? What do you guys do? All right, one quick update. Well, first of all, so it's freezing outside here today. It's been super windy all day. We've been blown around every time we go outside. The air temperature says, as of right now, it says like 18 degrees. But with the wind, we have like 35 to 40 mile an hour winds. That feels like temperature is -8. It's ridiculous. And it's snowing, and that's blowing across the streets. It was a little icy getting home. It's just starting to get to be winter here. So we're all just relearning how to drive in inclement weather like this. And so I'm like driving probably 10 miles under the speed limit because I don't want to have to slam on my brakes and then rear end somebody. And it's just too cold to deal with that. So I've never done that yet. And knock on wood, I hope that never happens. And I hope nobody does it to me. That just wouldn't be fun, especially when it's so cold outside too. But so, okay, back to the shawl that I'm wearing. This is my Fleetwood shawl. I just released this back, I think in November. Yeah, at the beginning of November, not that long ago. I love it. It's one I've been wearing a lot. It's kind of twisted around here, but it's asymmetrical. You start on one end with slip stitches, and then you end up going halfway through the pattern with that. And then you... All right, hold on. I'm going to pause this real quick. Okay, I'm back for a little bit. Well, I'm going to have to wrap this up. But she needs attention, which she deserves. I've been working all day. I haven't been giving her as much attention as she loves to get. But back to this real quick. Slip stitches, you start with singles, go up to quads. And then once you reach halfway through that, then you begin working just a basic kind of plain area with a 2-color Latvian braid. Anyways, Fleetwood shawl, if anybody is interested. It's knit in sport weight, but I also knit a version using DK. Didn't change anything with the pattern. It's just a little bit longer, but otherwise it's exactly the same and use just the same amount of yardage as well too. So I might have used just a little. I use the same for the contrast color. It used a little bit more for the main color, but not much. But real quick, before I head off to play with Sophie, make dinner, and settle in for the evening, I wanted to share Sophie's new sweater. So here is her sweater. We are down to the end. I am working on like the little back tail. this section decreases and then it'll end up in a ribbing. So this will be the very bottom. So this creates her little opening for her underneath side. But yes, it's pretty much done. I'll definitely be done with this tonight, and I'll block it, give it a bath, and then get it out on the blocking mat. So anyways, I hope you all had a wonderful Wednesday. I had to look at the date on my computer. Oh, it's been a long day. It's been a good day, but just a lot of stuff going on. So anyways, I hope you all have a lovely evening or a lovely day, whatever time you're watching this. And let me know what you're up to. Leave me some notes in the comments. I would love to hear from you. And if there's something else you want me to talk about or share or hear about, let me know. I'm all ears. Have a lovely evening, everyone. We'll talk to you soon. And until tomorrow, bye-bye.